YouTube? We're back with another video. I'm going over the trader cap that netted me 500 across 5 fundeds. So yeah, good trade today. Gonna be going over. You guys can see that I didn't take a trade all week. Definitely glad I was able to capture something today. Just overall on the daily, it was very hard for me to be long bias, and we have this new week opening gap as well as this devil's mark and new week opening gap. So I was looking at shorts yesterday, but just so hard for me to be like super short bias at all time highs. And then I don't really like the structure we had. I'm gonna show you guys a trade. So yeah, you guys can see I ended up shorting here. But yeah, the entry is right around here, right? Nice unicorn, 3-minute for value gap, dump. I just really didn't like these highs that we had on ES after we swept this low. So yeah, today I was a lot more confident in bias. You can see that we had that, Jesus Christ, executions. You can see that we pretty much had nice dump. So that kind of gives you that momentum for price to go lower. Unfortunately, we don't inverse this gap, but on the 4-hour, right, inverse this huge 4-hour leg. You see now we're respecting this one. So yeah, pretty much what I was looking at for today. We had this nice 1-hour gap that I was looking at. This also your breakers, right? If you can see this, right, higher high, lower low. So these become your breakers. These 1-hour order blocks that pretty much get failed becoming a breaker. So pretty much just looking at some sort of reaction in here for us to go lower, and then right near open we're pretty much creeping above London high, which would give us the SMT up here for then price to move lower out of this 1 hour for value gap. I definitely would have not taken a short if we didn't tap this breaker. So yeah, we tapped into it, SMT. From there, you're pretty much just looking at an entry. I pretty much front ran this breaker right here. Stop loss above here. I just liked everything about it, and I don't really want to like wait for an entry or like wait for like the fair value gap entry that I usually do. So this is good for me if I'm like super confident in it. If I'm not like extremely confident, I'll wait for the fair value gap. But I mean, most of the time, like, we're gonna run out some sort of sell side before getting that retracement, before going to the ultimate target, which is down here. So yeah, I ended up just taking this. I accidentally entered with 2 minis on NQ. I forgot to switch the pair. So yeah, that was $150 in like 3 seconds. So from there, I pretty much just entered with like just 2 micros, just ran it down here. By like a 1.65 RR, that pretty much was going to give me the 500 that I needed for just consistency rule wise. But yeah, normally I will ride this trade down here. And yeah, I wouldn't really. This is only about break evens. Is right when we run the low, like the odds of us getting that retracement back into the entry is like super high. But yeah, unicorn wise, you would enter within this for value gap. I think it overlapped with the 2-minute, yeah. 2-minute here, and then your stop loss above like the 5-minute candle high, which pretty much, woo, god dang, it's pretty much up here. So yeah, about a 2.4 RR, and yeah, super good trade, super clean day today. Super glad I was able to execute this whole week. I've been like hands off until I'm confident, because now that I got that payout, I'm just a little more patient when it comes to entries. Because like before, like when you're trying to get a payout, you're a little more risk adverse. Like now, I'm kind of like more calm, cool, collected. I'm not trying to rush anything. So it's helped me a lot. It helped me with patience, just taking like higher quality setups. So yeah, good trading day today. May or may not be trading tomorrow. Probably not. We'll see what the chart present itself. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Hope you guys were able to bang out and be somewhat green on this week. A little confusing, but setups are obviously there. So yeah, see you guys next video. Peace.